Let us now proceed and explore what are comments in C programming and how significant they are while writing any program. Now before I start, let us maximize our editor area. Well, for that I will minimize this Project Explorer. So I will click on this minimize button here. And you can restore the Project Explorer by using this restore icon at any point of time. But for now, let's minimize it. Great. Now comments are a very essential part of our program. They do not impact our output, but play a great role in documenting our program. For example, suppose today you have written this code and you revisit this code after 5 years. Then maybe after 5 years you would have forgotten why you actually wrote this code. These two statements in reality don't make any sense. And how can you even think of writing such a basic program that just prints out some messages? Well, in such a case, comments can help you to avoid such confusion. Now to write a comment, you just need to use a pair of forwarding slash like this, which is found beside Shift key of your keyboard. And then you can type your message. Now just below this comment, you can leave a blank new line like this, or you can remove it. Perfect. It is totally up to your choice. So this is known as a single line comment. And the comments in general increases the readability of your code and make them more understandable. So this comment over here clearly defines our intention of writing this simple print statement. Now if you run your program, then you get the same result because comments are ignored by the compilers when the code is executed. You can also write comments after your code, such as here. Like this. So if you run the program again, you get the same result because right after these two slashes, these texts are ignored by the compiler and are not counted as a part of the program. Fine, so please note that. But you cannot put comment before any code, such as if you cut it from here and paste it just before here, then this will include your code as a part of comment. If you run the program, then your output will be impacted because the moment compiler sees two slashes over here, it assumes that all the text after it are comments. So they are not counted as a part of the program. So let us revert it. Perfect. Now moving on, you can put comments anywhere in your file. For example, here on the top. So these are the 3 comments. Fine. Now you can also decorate your comments by providing proper indentation by using tab key like this. If you want to write comments in multiple lines like we have done here, then you can just remove these slashes. And instead, at the top, before your text starts, just use a forward slash followed by asterisk. And after your text, again put asterisk followed by a slash. So whatever you type between these two will become comment. And such kind of comment in multiple lines is known as multi-line comment. Fine. So here again, let us correct the indentation. Great. Now you can also use the syntax of multi-line comment here as well, such as instead of using two slashes, use a slash followed by asterisk, and then at the end use asterisk followed by a slash. So this text over here becomes a comment. And though it is a single line, still you can use multi-line comment syntax over here. It is allowed and there is no harm in doing that. But now, in the end, please note that too many comments are also not good for your program. You should write comments only when required in your program. For example, this comment over here seems okay, but this comment seems something additional. And even if we remove it, then also this comment over here is clearly showing our intention to write this program. If you want, you can make this comment more appropriate, such as my first few print statements while learning C. Perfect. So here in our output, it is showing just hello Intenshala. So let us run it and get both the statements in the output console. Perfect. To summarize, a comment is basically an explanatory text written in a program to understand the program better. Now a comment increases the readability of your program. Also, in case in future, if you get any error in your program, then comments can help you fix errors very easily. And please note that the comments are always ignored by compiler. Fine. And there are two types of comments in C. The first is single line comment, which looks like this. The second is multi-line comment, which of course look like this. So please remember the syntax. So yes, that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we will explore the structure of a C program.